Hi everyone, are you all excited for day 5 of Math Reboot Challenge? Today I am going to teach you one important topic in foundations of math, and that is a very important one, prime and composite. Yes, okay, you people learn about prime and composite, no doubts in that. You can easily tell whether a number is prime and composite if the number is less than 20. If I am asking you whether 5 is a prime or composite, you can tell. 7 is a prime or composite, you can tell. 10 is a prime or composite, you can tell. Suppose if I am asking you whether 87 is a prime, whether 97 is a prime, whether 63 is a prime, there comes the problem. Yes or no? So today I am going to teach you one easy step so that on using that you can easily tell whether the given number is prime number or composite number. Okay, so let's begin. Prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which has exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself. If you have only two factors, then that number is an example for prime. You just see here example 5. Okay, what are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. Yes or no? So if it has exactly two factors, then that is prime. What is composite number? Opposite way. Yes, if it has more than two factors, for example take 4. What are the factors of 4? It will come first table, second table and in fourth table. Yes or no? So this composite number means it has more than two factors. If it has more than two factors, it is composite number. Are you clear with the basic understanding about prime and composite? Yes, super. Now what is the problem means? In this prime and composite, how we will identify whether the given number is prime or composite? So I am going to tell you few steps, then that will be easy for you. First you just see here, in this we are first going to rule out all the even numbers, because all the even number will come in second table, yes or no? Except 2, all other even number we can rule out. So if you are getting an even number in your question, without thinking itself you can tell whether that is a prime or composite. If you are getting 2, then it is a prime. If you are getting any other even number, that is a composite. Yes? Okay. We will strike out those things. So all these even numbers are composite. So we can rule out all these numbers. Same way we can rule out all the multiples of 5. Yes, except 5. 5 is a prime number, but other number that ends in 5 is also a composite number. Okay, so we don't want to bother about these number. Okay, now we have to focus on the number that ends with 1, 3, 7 and 9. Yes, so to do this I am going to make it simple. Yes, what we are going to do means, in order to check whether this number is a prime or composite, you are going to do only two things. One is checking whether the number is divisible by 3 or the number is divisible by 7. Okay, how can we do this divisible by 3? Yes, I already gave the challenge, right? Yes, we did divisibility by 3 challenge, right? Okay, so what does that mean? So you will be adding two numbers, and if the number is coming in, if the sum of the number is coming in third table, then the number is divisible by 3. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 3. And for 7, what can we do? Yes, it is very easy if you remember these numbers. Yes, okay, I am just mentioning these numbers 7, 14, 21. This is 7th table answers, right? We know till 70. We have to focus only on 4 numbers, and that is 77, 84, 91 and 98. Yes, and also in this, if you see 77, 84, 91, 98, we don't want to bother about 84 and 98. Why? It is a even number. We know even number means it's a composite. Only we have to check 77 and 91. Okay. Now you just check here 11. Whether 11 is divisible by 3, you just add 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is not coming in third table. So it is not divisible by 3. Whether it is divisible by 7, it is not in the 7th table also. It is not. If it is not divisible by 3 and in 7, then this number is prime. Okay, now let's check for 21. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Yes, 3. It is divisible by third table. Yes or no? So if you are getting like this, at least one divisibility is there, then we don't want to think about other thing. We can directly go for composite. Got it? Yes, same way 31. You just do it in your mind, okay? You just 31. 3 plus 1 is 4. So it is not divisible by 3, and check that divisibility table for 7. No, it is not. So obviously it is prime. Whether it is easy? 41. 4 plus 1 5. It is not, and it is not coming in 7th table. So it is prime. Same way 51. 5 plus 1 it is 6. It is coming divisible by 3. So it is composite. If a number is divisible by 3 or 7, you will be writing it as a composite. If it is not divisible in both the case, without thinking you can write it as a prime. So I hope this will be very easy for you. Yes, you just check this number 91. 91, 9 plus 1. Yes, it is 10. So it is not divisible by 3, but what most of the students will do means they will check only divisibility of 3 and they will write it as a prime. But you have to check divisibility by 7. You just see here in 7th table we are getting 91. Actually this 91 is 13 into 7. Product of two prime numbers. So you won't learn this in your multiplication table, and also we will miss this one. 91 is divisible by 7. So it is composite. Okay, so this is composite. Okay, so this is how you will be identifying whether the number is prime or composite. Now it's time for game. Yes, so in this game what you will be doing means I just give it as a 4 different game today. Yes, prime and composite, and a prime number that ends with 1, that ends with 3, that ends with 7, and that ends with 9. You are going to check all these things. Okay, you just enter your name and just go start. Yes, you have to check two things. One is whether it is divisible by 3 or it is divisible by 7. You just see here, you will be having the number. Now let's see 61. 6 plus 1 is 7. It is not coming in 3rd table, and whether it is coming in 7th table? No. So it is a prime number. Just keep it. 91. 9 plus 1 is 10, but check in 7th table. It will come in 7th table, right? 77 and 91. We should be remembering this number. So it is composite number. Okay. How about 31? 31, 3 plus 1, 4. It is not, and also it is not coming in 7th table. So it is a prime number. Okay, likewise you have to do everything. And one more important thing is 1. Yes. What is the factor of prime? It should have minimum 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. How many factors do we have in 1? Just 1 factor. So it is not coming under prime or composite. Neither prime nor composite. Okay. So other than that you can try other numbers and you can check whether that is a prime or composite. Children, you just play this game whenever you want, so that what will happen means on seeing a number itself you can identify whether it is a prime number or composite number. Okay. So I hope you will enjoy this game. Yes. Okay, children, don't forget to enter your score in comment box, and also I hope you are enjoying this series, right? You are enjoying this challenge. It's time to share. You just share this knowledge with your friends and family, and also particularly this particular video, prime and composite, because this is where many students are facing problem. I just want to remove that. I just want to help them in removing their problem. Yes. Okay, you just give me a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, and also stay tuned with Ramya Karthikeyan.